do, because spring is almost here, which means the skirts are coming back, the short dresses. Dr. Ataii from Laser Clinique is here with the newest technology. Friends, this is one of the newest places that you can get this in San Diego. It's going to reduce your cellulite and tighten your skin. Dr. Ataii, good morning, and thank you for being here.
Good morning. After all that excitement, we need something relaxing.
I know, now you got to I age doing that kind of stuff. What is this machine?
So this is the latest in non-invasive skin tightening or non-invasive, non-surgical facelift, if you will. What this uses is a monopolar radiofrequency to tighten the skin and reduce the appearance of cellulite.
Okay, so what is this machine called?
Tempsure Envi.
Tempsure Envi. You're one of the only places that in San Diego County that has this now. What is new about this that makes this so unique and different than the 1,000 other lasers that are out there?
What makes this unique, because it's non-invasive, you see instant results because it's temperature controlled. So the tip of the actual device has a temperature regulator where you can maintain the heat to stimulate new collagen.
Okay, so you can use this on the face. That's what we're seeing happen right now?
Correct.
And then what is this going to do to our face? Just tighten it, or?
Exactly. So because of getting to an ideal temperature of 40 degrees Celsius, you can create this skin tightening and collagen stimulation process.
Look at these before and after pictures. What a difference that makes.
Immediate. So the best part is it takes 30 minutes to 45 minutes in office. You can go back to work during lunchtime, have this performed, and usually doing a series will get you the best outcomes.
Okay, and I love this part. I hear that it takes away the little cellulite. You know the little cellulite that lives on the back of our backs?
The eyes, legs,
yes,
all of it, yes.
This is what this machine does?
Can do, yeah. It's impressive as far as the outcomes with these devices. There are plenty of devices that promote cellulite reduction, but this is one of the best that is able to do that.
Okay, before we let you go, real quick, how often do you have to do it, and on average, how much does this cost?
So typically we want a series of 3 to 5 treatments spaced out once every 4 weeks.
Okay.
And it ranges between $600 to $800 per session.
I love it. If you want to get more information, fox5sandiego.com, click the little scene on tab, get you all hooked up with Laser Clinique. Does that mean she's done? Good. Can you move?
After pregnancy. After pregnancy.
After pregnancy. I was going to say, Raul, I got some work right here.
After pregnancy. The doctor is right. Just listen to the doc.